with a 6.5-inch Full HD screen, with notch, Kirin 710 processor, 3650 mAh battery with fast charge, 4 GB of RAM and 64 128GB of storage. The design keeps the line fresh and youthful. Optimal performance and IA-driven features are some of the innovations found in Honor 8X, thanks to the integration of Kirin 710 with 2 cameras in the back, with a 20-megapixel sensor and another secondary of 2 megapixels. And, as for the front, the proposal is 16 megapixels. The operation of the cameras is enhanced with artificial intelligence functions. Can identify in real time up to 500 scenarios, and customize the configuration of the camera to optimize the quality of the image, without the user having to perform extra actions. You can now acquire Honor 8X,